Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Putra Isanuddin. I come from the Department of Management, Faculty of Economic and Business. Here I will about the Journal of Capital Market is Nepal to the achievement was. Management Dynamics for 23, number 2, 53, 62, 2020. Secondary capital market of Nepal assessing the relationship between share transaction and NEPSE index. Abstract, capital market play a significant role in financial mobilization and profit and effective way of pursuing long-term fund exam. In addition, it provide an investment opportunity for individual and institution. Nepal capital market is growing and improving pace. The objective of this study is to assess the existing status of secondary capital market and to examine the relation between the share transaction and amount and NEPSE index. The period 2009 to 2090 has been used for study purpose. The trends of capital market development track after 2009 then to present status has been identified using descriptive analytical research applying secondary data. The result found that there is significant contribution of secondary capital market for financial resource mobilization in Nepal. In addition, there exists significant positive impact of share transaction on NEPSE index in Nepal's secondary capital market. The study recommended more effort from related sector for the modernization and systemization of share market. Introduction: capital market is specifically known as the stock market, which the mobilizer of capital for economic development and the economic mirror of any economy. Capital market is where buying and selling of share happens. People can buy and sell shares as the one. Capital market play a vital role in aiding the companies to raise capital for expansion and growth. Through IPOs, companies issue shares to the public and in turn receive funds that are used for various purposes. The company gets listed on the stock exchange after IPO, and that provide an opportunity to invest in the company. Capital market provides an opportunity to be a trader or investor in the share market. Traders hold stocks for a short period of time whereas investor hold stocks for a longer duration as per financial needs. We can push the investment product of behavior and of 2011 explained that relevant indicator of economic growth and performance of capital market such as GDP, market capitalization, value of shares traded, foreign private investment, and gross capital formation. Since the Indian capital market has been transformed towards a combination of sophisticated information technology, strengthened regulatory structures, rapid evolution of market structures, and willingness to accept foreign investment. This encouraged foreign investor and intermediaries to enter the market, which lead to higher standard. Nepal Stock Exchange has been operating the secondary market under the Securities Act. The goals and objectives are to enlist the public issue securities, provide liquidity in overall capital market by encouraging securities trading of listed government and organized companies, brokers, intermediaries, and market makers, and support overall development of country by increasing securities transaction and reliable environment in capital market. The formal trading of secondary market in Nepal was started only in after the establishment of NEPSA. Initially, there were 62 companies with 25 brokers. The market was the establishment of semi-automated system in 24 August 2007. Recently, NEPSA has increased the number in brokerage house to 50 and more than 222 companies are listed in the context of Nepal. The secondary capital market is growing fast. However, there are various areas to expand and develop this according to present needs. Ujunga and Modet has pointed that the capital market is one of the most vital areas of the economy as it provides company access to capital and investor with ownership in the economy and the potential of gains visit of company's future performance. The capital market establishes working relationship between the people engaged in saving, mobilization, and investment capital. Similarly, capital market plays a significant role in the economy, whereas it mobilizes the unproductive financial resource in productive sector of the economy. The secondary capital market of Nepal is growing fast but not playing the significant role for financial resource mobilization. In Nepal, an organized secondary capital market can serve as the medium for transferring part of the business ownership of foreign corporation to the citizen and if systematically organized, it could be a source of the much needed capital necessary for economic growth. The capital market is influenced by non-economic parameters such as political, social, ethical, as one of the other factors. This helps it to mobilize to the surplus unit to deficit unit for productive investment. Secondary capital market mobilize the scattered resource and channel damage productive sector in the context of Nepal, despite the history of decades of planned economic activities to develop real sector of a country. Little attention was paid to the development of secondary capital market. This study is designed to answer the following question. Review of literature. Capital market plays a significant role in economic that allow investor fund to center point potential opportunity such as saving funds are mobilized and channeled efficiency to user. Capital market is assumed to be the barometer of the economy in which we can study the economic condition of the country. Those capital market are a network specialist financial institution series of mechanisms, processes, and infrastructure that in various ways facilitate the bridging together of supplier and user of medium to long-term capital. The capital market plays a significant role in the economy by mobilizing the fund. The secondary capital market is where the security are traded after the company has sold its offering. On the primary market, small investors have a much better chance of trading security on secondary market since they are excluded from IPOs. Anyone can purchase security on the secondary market as long as they are willing to pay the asking price per share. A broker basically purchase the security on behalf of an investor in the secondary market, where price on the secondary market fluctuation with demand. Investors have to pay a commission to the broker for carrying out the trade. The secondary market has two different categories such as auction and dealer market. The auction market is home to the open auction system where buyers and sellers congregate in the one location and announce the price at which they are willing to buy and sell the security. In dealer market, people trade through electronic networks. Most of the small investors trade through dealer market. Development of stock market reflect the development of capital market linking equity market with the development of capital market has shown positive impact. Debt and equity market allocation capital within economy. As Salim remarked, the debt capital market are a key component of national development, improving the mobilization of savings by providing attractive source of financing for productive investment and supporting the development of long-term savings channel. The capital market is unique and in a country financial system because of its peculiar function in the economy. Capital market are a vital part of the financial development. Capital market has been linked with the economic growth. Capital market plays crucial role in mobilization of the domestic resources and changing and channeling the efficiency of to raise economic production and productivity. The level of capital market development is thus an important determinant of country level of savings, efficiency and investment, and ultimately is rate of economic growth. Thus, economic parameter that reflects the development of capital market in any country has concluded that security market plays a significant role in mobilizing savings and channeling them in productive purpose-based profiting. Liquidity on security show that it could be minimized the risks and maximize the returns. The study on the security market performance reveals that there was no synchronization among different security market performance indicators, but is the truth that they almost have this depicted an erected trend during the study period. He has pointed that the size of securities market is very small and the liquidity of security has also found force. The investor in the company can use this investment to fulfill their life goals. Capital market is the major platform for investment as it provides liquidity, whereas we can be buy and sell share anytime based on the need. People are investing in the share market for dividend, capital growth, and buyback purpose. Above literature indicates that the expansion and achievement, the sustainable growth of the economy, it investor awareness and their commitment for the long-term investment play the vital role. Invest in expected that the awareness and the commitment of investment direction and their association contribution a lot to the economic development. Conclusion and implication: secondary capital market of Nepal has not been well developed. There is that of net stock exchange system has neither been modernized nor has the market been fully modernized. The share market demands one more stock exchange is called private sector is strongly needed as mentioned in sequence a private policy and program to minimize the monopoly situation. Thank you.